And I'm going to move that down just slightly here and bring it in 12 on either side. That should work. And then let's do space evenly. And then I'm going to I think I'll just do another row in here and then grab a container, shrink that down quite a bit here. I kind of want to be able to work with that first here. Let's shrink that in. Now let's go in some. And then I'm going to duplicate. And I'm going to let's see, change the fill color. And we'll do that, and then we'll do that. And let's grab that row that's containing that. Let's go ahead and duplicate it and give us some other color options to work with here. White's not going to really work. Let's do like a light gray, and maybe, I don't know, just do black. Doesn't really matter. And let's duplicate that again. And I think, let me grab my outer row here and set it to scrollable. And I need to add some spacing between these. Let's do 6. And 6. Okay. Now let me grab this over here. All right, so let's set this one. Let's just do something crazy. Just do black. I guess it's not that crazy. Getting ahead of myself here. And we'll do red. Oh, I didn't fill. I don't think. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. And let's duplicate that one more time. This one. Let's do that, and we'll do this as gray color. All right, so that'll be kind of the extent of what I want to do there. Not plugging in too much time into that. I think I will, though. I do like things to look reasonably nice. So I'm gonna go down here, turn that off, and I'm gonna do 12 and 12. And I'm gonna go over here, do the same thing on the right side. Kind of makes it like a capsule. Yeah, it looks a little better. And we'll do the same all the way down. Kind of wish I'd done this before I built all that out, but it'll be all right. All right, and we'll grab this last one over here. Okay. All right, so that'll work. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the row that's encapsulating each one. I'm going to go ahead and set a couple of actions. Well, probably just one action. And we're going to go and we're going to update document. We're going to update our marketplace document. Grab our reference here. And then we'll go to color theme 1. And what's this? A teal and a gray. Okay. So we'll set this to that teal color. And then we'll do color theme 2. and set it to that gray that I just created there. And then the same thing all the way down the line here. Add an action, update. Color theme 1. Let's see. I don't even know what color that is. Gray 600. Which one was that? There it is. And then color theme 2. Do that red. So I think you get the idea. So I'm not going to make you watch me go through all of these. I'll just pause the video and finish them out real quick. Okay, so I got all those set now. So when a user taps on one of those, obviously you can scroll back and forth. They tap on it, it'll automatically update the document and change the colors. Now, what we want to do then is we want to go ahead and assign that. So background color is going to be color theme 1. Go ahead and take care of that while I'm here. And then everything else, I guess we just change everything else here. So text color would be color theme 2, this would be color theme 2, so on and so forth. Format, there we go. So I won't make you watch me go through and do all that either, but I'm just going to go through and change everything so that all the text and everything is equal to color theme 2 and the background is equal to color theme 1, which color theme 1 is on the left, 2 is on the right. So I'm going to take care of that real quick. Okay, so I got that taken care of. So everything's set accordingly. You probably, and I just thought about this, but you probably want to apply the same thing, color theme 2, to your icons here. Otherwise, they may become invisible if they choose a dark background. So I just want to go in here and change those color theme 2, and everything else should be fine. So that way, if they do decide to change their theme and update it, all of this will automatically reflect that update, so they can kind of get an idea of what those changes look like. And we probably, quite honestly, would want to have like a reset. Let's see here. What options do we have for reset an icon? Let's repeat. I guess that would probably be the most logical there. So I'm just going to copy this guy and I'm going to plug him in here and paste it, put it out out there on the end. It's what, 16? So let's keep that consistent here. And pull that in 16 and then do a page reset button. Now, of course, we do want, well, it's already set, that's good. So we would want to be able to tap that and reset it back to how it is originally here. And the way that we would do that is just go in here, apply an action, and do update document. Oops. And we would update our marketplace document and go to our reference, add a field, go down to color theme 1, change this to update, and then select delete. That'll delete the color out of there that was placed in when they chose one of these themes. Same thing with color theme 2, update and delete. All right, so that'll take care of that. All right, so that's all good to go. And then obviously we do want to assign some actions here, and that'll be just about the last thing that we want to do here. And before doing that, I actually want to do a couple of things. Well, I don't really know how I want to do that. Okay, no, I'm gonna leave that alone. So what I'm gonna do then for like updating marketplace name and about market is I'm just gonna show a bottom sheet for both. So just do this bottom sheet, and I'll just grab one here, change it around. So I'll do edit market name. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that stuff there. We'll go back here and go ahead and add our action. Show our bottom sheet. We won't worry about any of that right now. We'll go ahead and define. We do want to pass our market reference. And let's see, we'll just leave, yeah, we'll leave all that just the way it is. All right, and then let's go ahead and go back over there to edit market name, which I do want to put that under user pages here. Where'd that go? There it is. All right, so we're pulling that in. We don't, well, yeah, we do want to do a backend query here. So we're going to document from reference. We'll do user markets, and we'll grab that parameter we passed in here. And then we can just make an indicator. Let's put a column in here and move it down some. I guess we can just go ahead and, yeah, that'll be fine. We'll put a row, let's put some text, and we'll do edit market name. Then let's grab a text field. And I'm actually going to center that. And we're going to get rid of this. And we're going to do our initial text here as the market name. And I think I'm just going to do, I'm just going to keep it as an underline and make that a little bit thicker. Okay, that'll work there. Let's turn autofocus off. Okay, that should do it. And I do believe, actually kind of want to bring this up just a little bit. And let's put a save button in there. Let's see here, what I want to do here. That'll work. And we'll turn that off. And let's see here. Okay, that should be fine. I'll put that up there, and I'm gonna set that as like a cancel button. We'll add an action, and we will dismiss the bottom sheet. Or we will do an update action, and we will update, oops, not upload, update our document here. Grab a reference, go to our market name, and update from variable widget state text field. And then also want to close that bottom sheet, and then maybe even plug in like a show snack bar. Okay, that'll work. All right, so that's good to go. And very simple, obviously. I'm gonna do a whole lot there. Now let's go back, and actually let's go over here to our user pages. Edit market name. Let's go ahead and duplicate that, and then change the name on it here. Oh, that's not what, oh, okay. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Why can't I change that? Why can't I change the name of the component? I used to be able to edit that. What am I missing? Have they done something again? That's weird. That's strange. Oh, it's right in front of me. Somebody should have pointed that out to me. I'm sitting there looking at it. Okay. It's been a long day. All right. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Open that other bottom sheet. And we'll just go ahead and pass the market reference. And for those of you that are new to Flutterflow, you may have noticed that I did not have to define this reference again. All I had to do was pass it, and that's because I duplicated that bottom sheet and it already had the market reference parameter in place. All I had to do is pass from this icon at that point. So, all right, so that's good to go. Yeah, leave all the rest of that alone. So let's go to market description. Edit market description, and then we're not going to keep that in the middle. We're actually going to bump it over, and we're going to change this to market about. Set our minimum lines to 1 and our maximum lines to 3. And let's see, let's go down here and change this to multi-line. And let's change this to an outline. Don't really want an underline there. And can round it off some. Yeah, let's actually set max lines to 4. There we go. All right, let's bring that down. All right, so, ooh, that went way up there. Try that again. There we go. All right, so I removed minimum lines, deleted that, set max lines to 4. That way the box is expanded. If you do that, it'll shrink it down. So if you do it like this, it looks a little better. All right, so market about's good to go there. So we can pull that up some here. Let's go to our save, make sure we change our action flow here. We'll change this to market about, and variable widget state market about, text field dismiss, show snack bar market description updated. There we go. Okay, so that should be good to go then. I'm gonna, what am I looking for? That's what I'm looking for. Make that a little thicker there. All right, it's good to go. Alrighty, so that's taken care of. So pretty much got everything in place here that we want to have in place. The only other thing that we want to do, so obviously this already updates the back end. These update the back end. This updates the back end, and then if you save from the bottom sheets, that updates the back end. The only thing that does not update are these true/false widgets here, and then your PayPal and Cash App addresses. So we want to apply that here to our back arrow. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to apply an update action here. And I'm going to update my document. And yeah, okay. PayPal accepted will be from variable, and that'll be that first widget state. Let's see here. Switch PayPal value. And we'll set this to PayPal address variable. And we'll do that as widget state. And PayPal address, and then so on and so forth down the line here. Cash App accepted variable. And then that's Cash App address variable state, Cash App username, and then is Cash accepted variable, and widget state cash value. Okay, and actually I want to run the update action first and then navigate back. And then we can throw in, if we want to, we could do a another show snack bar, and you could just do market updated would be fine. Set that to 2. Okay, so that takes care of all of that pretty much here. Yeah, that's check something here real quick. Yeah, I'll just leave that. Doesn't really matter. Not going for a real pretty theme here. Okay, so we've got that set up now, so that really takes care of all of that for the users setting up their marketplace, or at least editing their marketplace. So we can go back to user market dashboard, and I did already set that. Yes, I did. Okay. All right, so that button is taken care of now. We've still got a lot of buttons to go and a lot of other stuff we've got to configure on this page, but that's it for this tutorial. This one took a little while to do, so yeah, I'm going to stop it here, and on the next one we will go over this and this. I will say that somewhere, I'm trying to remember where I was going to plug it in at. I can't remember yet. I'll remind myself, but we are going to be dealing with a custom function in here, and it's going to be I believe it's going to be get month from date. So let me just do something real quick here. Just want to kind of show you. If I were to update my marketplace, do date created, for instance. Well, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. Let's see here. That's not what I want. Getting off track here. Let's just do a create document, and let's do just like a customer order. I just need grab a date field here, really. That's what I need. Okay, so date ordered. If I were to go in here and like go to public global properties and do date time, that's gonna plug that into the other side as the standard number slash number slash number. So like let's see, today's April 18th, so it'd be like 4/18/2023, and it's going to put it in that format. But we're going to be using a custom function to look at that format and pull the written version of the month from a date input. So if the date input from the global properties is 4/18/2023, this function is going to pull 4 and it's going to give its associated name, so it'll actually spit out the word April instead of the number 4. And we're going to be using this for sorting later on. So but we'll touch more onto that later. And even though I don't want this to be a primary focus of this app, I think I'm going to plug in the draggable custom widget and the drag target custom widget, and we're actually going to use that in the that was something else I wanted to do. Shoot. But anyway, we're gonna do that in the public market for a user. And my plan is just go to pages here and grab list. Now content is that I'm gonna list a user's market items as a grid, like this example. I hate that it blurs it when I highlight it, but like that example to the left here, or to the right, I'm going to use a grid to outline their items. And I'm thinking about using the drag widgets to kind of make that interactive, where a user would press and hold on one of these items and drag it to like a checkout option that would then bring up the option to complete their order, just to kind of see how that works, and would be more applicable in a full marketplace app where they could add multiple items to a checkout. But we may play around with it and see how it works. Just kind of get a feel for it. But anyway, yeah, that's it for this tutorial. So I'll be back with some more at some point. Have a good one.